Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to restore the dislike count on YouTube. Start by launching the Chrome browser and visiting YouTube so you can verify the changes later. Next, go to Google and search for Return Dislikes on YouTube. Select the first result, which leads to the Chrome Web Store for the Return YouTube Dislike extension. Once on the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button and confirm by selecting Add Extension. A developer's page will appear where you can offer support through donations, but you can simply close this tab along with any other extra windows. Now, exit the browser entirely and then restart Chrome to ensure the extension activates properly. Navigate back to YouTube and select any video. You will now notice that the dislike count is visible once again. It is that straightforward. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.